What's goody? Welcome back to my channel. It's Tree and I'm back at it again with another video. And today this video is going to be exciting. Well, at least for me, because it is a Amazon nail haul. Okay? Okay. The first item on the list is the AirC Portable E-Drill. It comes with extra drill bits, a set of drill bits, extra sanding bands, the AC adapter, as well as the drill itself. And it is purple, so you know I love it, period. The next item is the Lux Up LED 54-watt lamp. It has 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60-second buttons, as well as an automatic time button where you can just put it in if you don't want to press a button. And it has a magnetic base that comes off. And I've received a 10-pack of soak-off clips, nail file, and cuticle pusher, which I could not find for the video, as a free gift. Next up, we have the Adhesives Iridescent Rainbow 10-piece drill bit set. I just bought these because they were pretty, to be honest. At this point, Amazon was killing me with these one items in a whole package by itself. Like, I had 6 unnecessary packages. But anyway, right here I have the stainless steel tip scissors in iridescent rainbow. If y'all can't tell by now, purple and iridescence, rainbows, all that, my favorite colors. I couldn't contain my excitement at this point because these are the Hansel holographic nail powders, and it's like 12 of them if I'm not mistaken. But they are so pretty, like the way the colors shift in different lighting. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I was lit. Up next is the D&D Duo set in white. I just bought this because the other nail polishes that I'm going to show y'all later on in the video didn't have a white in it. Don't mind me right here because I was really trying to figure out why one item was in one package. The item right here is the Value 50 sheet nail foil. At first I couldn't figure out what it was, but it's okay because we got there. BT dubs, my eyelashes look mad good. Like, sis is killing it, period. Okay. When I opened this package, the smell was so strong. I thought my stuff had spilled. But anyway, in this package, I have the Carlash Primer Bond. And I also have the Carlash Polymer Kit, which has the crystal clear acrylic and a monomer. And I also got a dapping dish as a free gift, which is a plus. We like free stuff. And I also thought that the polymer kit was going to be bigger than what it is. I don't know, it just looked bigger on the picture on Amazon. But I mean, it is what it is. Next, we have the 240 piece AB crystals. It's like 12 different shapes. You know, they real pretty or whatever. I'm excited to use them. This is the Melody Susie acrylic nail clipper in the color plum. I just bought these to cut the tips if I want a different length. These are the Burano, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, blooming polish in the colors blue, teal, green, orange, red, purple, navy, and white. And what they do is basically make marbling your nails easier for beginners or people who just don't feel like putting in all the extra work. I'm gonna also be linking everything down in the description box for anybody who wants to check something out or get something that they liked in this video. Now we have the Macart gel polish. It has 22 beautiful colors as well as a base and top coat. Y'all, when I tell you these colors are like life, like oh my goodness, I was so excited. I was struggling, I couldn't even get it out the box. That's how excited I was. So I finally got it out the box and I only showed y'all just a few colors. You know, can't give away everything. Like y'all got to stay tuned if y'all want to see the rest of the colors. Right here, I was looking because I thought that I was missing a box and I realized that I really was missing a box. So I had to get up and go get it, or find it at least. So I'm back. I found my box and this one, y'all, had a lot. I was excited about that. This first piece is the Beatles 6-piece spring / summer set, although I think the colors are more of a autumn fall, I don't know, but I was happy that they gave the little sticker pieces that you can put on the bottles to indicate the colors, because they just had numbers and I didn't know which one was which. That's why I just opened all of them. Whoa, Chile, these lashes though. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry. I just had to say it one more again. And I think these came out the beauty supply store too. Like, y'all gotta stop sleeping on the beauty supply store, period. Because they be having the stuff. I'm telling you. These right here are the 500 count clear long stiletto tips. I got the stiletto shape because they can double as coffin as well. Now this item right here is like one of my favorites in this whole haul. They are the Born Pretty 4-piece powder set, and the colors are, well, the different effects are mirror, holographic laser, colorful neon, and pearl. I'm not sure which one is which, but just look, just watch. They are so freaking pretty. It also came with these little applicators to apply the pigment to the nail, which is cute. I thought that was really cute. Sis, I don't know what it was with me and opening stuff today, but it just wasn't working, like, at all. But anyways, these are the Beatles 5-piece nail art brushes, and they are so cute. I wasn't expecting them to have little gems in the bottom of the brush, and I don't know, they're just, I don't know, it just does something extra for the brushes. They are so pretty. We're coming up on the home stretch, y'all. Just hang in there just a little while longer. But these right here are the 30 color striping tape. It's basically where you can put little different colorful designs on your nails. So I thought that was cute. These right here are the Beatles foil glue gel. It came with 2 bottles, and this basically helps you adhere the foil strips that I showed you earlier in the video. This is the GA and EN rhinestone glue gel kit, which comes with the glue gel, of course, a wax pen, some extra wax pieces, as well as 3-piece brush set for the glue to like go around in the crevices of your little rhinestones or whatever. Again, I was getting excited right here because I was not expecting the pen to have the little gems in it. And I don't know, I just think that is so pretty. Like, somebody tell me how many times I say pretty in this video, because I know it's a lot. While editing and going through all the products that I purchased, I realized I left out this gem. These are the Warm Fix 3D holographic butterfly sequins, and it's 24 different colors. So freaking pretty. If you made it this far in the video, that means you love me, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.